DC Blue Advanced Receiver Mode Setup. To begin, from standby mode, those two lines indicate standby, press and hold set for 3 seconds. Buzzer beeps twice, P flashes on the display. Scroll up to a lowercase r, press and release set to enter. B will be on the display, which indicates BT function, not beams. Press and hold desired button on transmitter. While doing so, press and release set. 1 is successful, 2 code already in memory, 3 unsuccessful. If F flashes on the display, memory is full. To the next feature, scroll up to light feature. Same procedure, press and hold a different channel on the transmitter button, press and release set, and the same would apply. 1 successful, 2 already exists in memory, 3 unsuccessful if memory full.